In this video, we're going to talk about Royal Caribbean Cruises, and Jim Cramer just called it the NVIDIA of the cruise liners. It's hard to argue with Jim on this one. From the July lows a couple of years ago, prices are up 550%. So Royal Caribbean just reported their earnings for the third quarter. Shares were muted as guidance fell short of analyst expectations. Now, the earnings were short of estimates, but they did talk about their forward guidance. They said they continue to see strength in the 2025 bookings. And the CEO said while they are still very early in the planning process, they anticipate earnings per share in 2025 to start with a $14 handle. So we're going to stay on the monthly chart, and we're going to do some analysis. My eyes gravitate to this level down at $120. You had a rallying price, couple of basic candles, and a rally out. Again, depending on how you draw your zones, price did pull back. Did this toes in the upper portion of the zone, and then continued in the uptrend. So we're going to call that monthly buyers at $120. And what I also like about this level, this was the origin of the move higher, taking out what was previous highs established in 2020. All right, let's take it down to the weekly chart. And here was that pullback we saw on the monthly chart. Here's a couple of levels of interest on the weekly chart. Got a rally, base rally, and then you have another one. When you have a level on a level, it creates for a very strong level for price to bounce off of. Don't really see anything closer to price. Maybe this right here. So let's look at this price action a bit more on the daily chart. One thing to note, price is getting away from the moving averages, which tells me that price is overextended. So a pullback is warranted. This was earnings. We had a drop at the opening. Only see buyers step in. See all these basing candles. This was just investors waiting for earnings. Now again, I did say price was extended. However, this is what I call a bear trap. You have the support and resistance traders shorting the stock, only to be met with buyers. At 196. So this setup was just good for a day trade. Again, the best opportunity is going to be lower on a pullback. Scroll down to the hourly chart just so you can see. So this was a quick drop, quick move higher. Didn't even give you any time for price to form a reversal pattern. Again, I think the opportunities are going to be lower. You have this level of interest. Then at 1 183. So let's pull back out to the, and you see how that level breached the pivot high on a gap higher on above average volume. Very strong level on the lower time frame. Now, you could trade this again. Price just did this toes. A level gets invalidated when prices penetrate the zone more than 50%. But I like levels a little lower when price, and if price is selling more at a discount. So anything around that $180 level would be an opportunity to go long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.